What's the meaning of anthrax? Anthrax. 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 Anthrax.
Anthrax is a serious and potentially deadly infectious disease caused by the bacterium Bacillus anthracis. The disease most commonly occurs in animals, especially cattle, but can also affect humans. Anthrax typically presents with flu-like symptoms, such as fever, chills, and fatigue, but can progress quickly to severe respiratory distress, shock, and ultimately death. It is primarily transmitted through contact with infected animals or their products, such as meat or hides, or through inhalation of spores. Anthrax has been used as a biological weapon in the past due to its high mortality rate and ease of dissemination.